let's talk seasons changing. I don't know about you guys, but my hair and my skin is freaking out. My hair is getting greasier faster. I can usually go 6 or 7 days. I'm now getting 2 or 3 days out of it. And then my ends are super dry and my skin feels like the Sahara Desert. So my favorite ways to combat this and get on top of it is to do regular oil treatments. Now this is my favorite oil because it mimics our body's natural oils. It's gonna go in there and actually penetrate into the scalp and into the hair follicle and provide that nutrients that our scalp needs. And a healthy scalp leads to healthier hair. It's also going to help balance out the pH of your hair and your scalp and get you to go longer between washes. So I'm gonna coat the scalp in that, and then I'm gonna go through and work this oil through my mids and my ends. And we're gonna let this set at least 20 minutes, or most of the time I sleep in it. It's full of 13 different essential oils, omega-3 fatty acids, beta carotenes. This is the real deal if you want a healthy scalp and hair. So once I've got it saturated, I will go in, I will tie it up, I will leave it on for at least 20 minutes. After I take a shower, I will also use this on my face. Stay tuned for part 2.